Well, if you guys are into simulations, the golf simulations, they have different types of simulation. But I saw this baseball at CES, and this is something that you could set up in your backyard or in maybe an amusement park or somewhere. But they're making it available for the public. It just a machine with everything built in there. Of course, there was a projector. The balls popped out just like a T-ball, and depending on the velocity of the actual ball or the direction, it was hitting like a simulated practices. Now, this is perfect for those that are like into baseball and want to get better or progress or just for fun. I mean, this could be something like the almost like if you go to the baseball ranges too, similar to a golf range. You could have this at home, you can have this anywhere and enjoy it. So I wanted to try it, but my I was a little injured that I didn't want to progress into my injury more. So, but it looked great, and I really regret not getting into this. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.